In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to muffle audio effect on CapCut. This is perfect when you want audio to sound like it's coming from behind a wall, inside a room, or underwater. Great for transitions, flashbacks, or to add depth to your edits. I'll walk you through the exact settings so you can recreate the effect quickly and reliably. First, open CapCut and head into your project. It works the same whether you're on desktop or mobile. You just need a timeline with a clip ready to edit. If you're starting from scratch, create a new project and make sure you can see the timeline at the bottom of your screen. Having your playhead positioned where you want the effect to begin will make the next steps easier. Next, click on Audio and add a sound. This can be a music track, a voiceover, or any audio clip you want to muffle. You can import your own file or choose something from your library. Once added, you'll see the audio appear on the timeline. Make sure it's selected so any changes apply to the correct clip. If you're working with dialogue, pick the portion where you want the muffled moment. For music, a verse or a beat drop can work especially well for the effect. With the audio selected, click on Speed and lower the speed to 0.7. Slowing it slightly helps thicken the sound and subtly lowers the pitch, which sets the foundation for that blocked underwater vibe. The 0.7 value is a sweet spot that preserves clarity while making the audio feel heavier and more distant. Keep in mind that changing speed also changes duration, so be aware of how it aligns with your video timing. The goal is a gentle slowdown, not a dramatic shift. Now click on Voice Filters and look for the Muffler option. Apply the muffler filter to the same audio clip you just slowed down. This filter reduces high frequencies and emphasizes the low end, which is exactly what creates that closed-off, muted character. If your version of CapCut shows categories, open the voice-related section and scroll until you find Muffler. After applying it, play a short preview so you can hear how the muffled tone pairs with the slower speed. You should notice the sound becoming rounder and more constrained, as if it's being heard through a barrier. And that's it. Open CapCut, add your audio, set the speed to 0.7, then apply the muffler voice filter. Use this combo to create smooth transitions, emphasize mood, or guide attention to your visuals.